Does insurance cover side mirror damage from a hit and run? Have you ever wondered what happens if your side mirror gets damaged in a hit-and-run incident? It can be frustrating and confusing, but understanding your insurance coverage can help. The coverage for side mirror damage really depends on the type of car insurance policy you have. If you have comprehensive insurance or collision coverage, you are likely in a good position. Comprehensive insurance typically covers damages from accidents, vandalism, theft, and other situations that are beyond your control. This means that if someone hits your side mirror and drives away, your comprehensive insurance should cover the repair or replacement costs. On the other hand, collision coverage specifically addresses damages caused by collisions with other vehicles or objects. This includes hit-and-run situations where the responsible driver is unknown. If you have either of these coverages, you can file a claim for the damage. However, if your policy only includes third-party liability insurance, you will not be covered for your own vehicle's damages. This type of insurance only covers damages you cause to others, leaving you to pay for repairs out of pocket. When you find yourself in a hit-and-run situation, it is important to document the damage thoroughly. Take clear photos of the side mirror and the surrounding area. Reporting the incident to the police is also crucial. You will need to obtain a police report, as many insurance companies requiring this document to process your claim. After that, notify your insurance company as soon as possible and provide them with all relevant information. Keep in mind that you will likely need to pay your deductible, which is the portion of the repair costs you are responsible for before your insurance kicks in. If the repair costs are less than or close to your deductible, you might decide to pay for the repairs yourself. This can help you avoid potential increases in your insurance premiums. In summary, if you have collision or comprehensive insurance, you are likely covered for side mirror damage from a hit-and-run, but always check your policy terms. If you only have third-party liability insurance, you will need to cover the repair costs yourself. Proper documentation and timely reporting to your insurance company are essential steps in making the claims process smoother.